Hey y'all, it's Tuesday. I've got a burning question. I've been thinking about this for quite some time, and that is, can I make microwave popcorn in my Canteen cup? I saw a fella taking Canteen cup and he made some popcorn, but he had to bring oil and butter and salt and yada yada yada. One day at home I took one of these and I made it, watching a movie, and I poured it off into my cup, and I realized that this holds roughly a third of this. So this is what we're going to drop in here, and it's already got oil and butter and salt and all the good stuff. And my thought is that you could break this down into thirds into little Ziploc snack baggies to take on the trail with you. So we're going to try it out tonight and see what happens. I don't know what happens. Going to happen. We might go up in flames. Little disclaimer though, don't cook your Canteen cup in your microwave. It's a bad idea. Just search the videos. Look for metal in the microwave. You'll see what I mean. Alright. Step one. I need about a third of this. I was going to bring my scale and be all scientific and whatnot, but yeah, as life goes, I'm running around circles. Matter of fact, my shirt's on backwards because I wore my work shirt tonight, and I don't want to disclose that. So there we are. We're just going to break off what I think is a third, and we'll see what happens. You ever looked inside of one of these before you cooked it? I haven't. Okay, so there we have it. Oil, popcorn, and I don't know, whatever else they put in this stuff. Let's see if we can find about a third of it. Might need some of this oil and butter and salt slurry. I don't know. We're going to drop it in there. And then I think I need doesn't look like very much. I don't know. Maybe we'll give it just a touch more. I don't know. You see that? That's what I've got in there. It's not much. This is the I don't even know what size bag this is. We'll see what it makes. If it makes. I guess the old Victorinox is oiled for a little while. Let's see, we need some fire. We need something to cook on. Ah, matches. I couldn't hardly do the Jiffy Pop over the fire. It was so hot. Burnt my Jiffy Pop up. Brought some gloves. I think I just singed my arm hair. I smell it. Y'all ever made microwave popcorn in a canteen cup? Uh-oh, I hear the sizzle. Hey, if this top blows up in my face, don't laugh. I don't know what's gonna happen. Ah, it's popping. That was pretty quick. Hey y'all, that worked. I think for this size popcorn, I can fit more in the cup. I'll give it a few burnt pieces to the birds and squirrels. I might have bought the individual size this time instead of the regular size popcorn. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the rest of it in there because that only filled the cup up about a third of the way. You might be able to put this whole individual size in a cup. We'll see what the other 2/3 does. We get these last few little burnt kernels. We don't want those. Boy, my knife's gonna be oiled good. Now, I'm just curious. I'm not gonna put my glove on this time and see if I can bring this close enough to get the pop action without it being so hot that I can't hold it. Now it's starting to sizzle. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. See if we can not burn this batch on the bottom. a touch more heat. It doesn't seem to be popping. Oh, here we go. Look at there. All right, so this size package, and I'll look when I get home and see what that size is, and I'll make a little note of it. Right, right in here someplace. You see that? Okay. It looks like you can probably split the package in half for 2 servings. Look at there. We got popcorn for camp. I love it. Oh, that's hot. You'll bring campers in for miles when they smell the popcorn. Oh, that's good. Who doesn't like popcorn? I'm gonna eat my popcorn and go home. We'll see y'all next week.